Hi there! In this video, we're taking a look at Danish word order. In Danish, like in most European languages, the verb stands between the person or the thing that performs the action and the action itself, if there's any. For example, jeg læser en bog. I'm reading a book. Or jeg løber. I'm running. That's the correct order. Subject, verb, object, also known as SVO. Now I'm gonna show you what you shouldn't do with Danish word order. Jeg en bog læser. En bog læser. Læser en bog. Can you tell me what's wrong with all of those? The first one, jeg en bog læser, has the wrong order. And why exactly is it wrong, you might ask. If you translate this directly, word for word, say into Japanese, there's nothing wrong with it because that's how Japanese and many other Asian languages work. Their structure is subject, object, verb, or SOV. Watashi wa hon wo yomimasu. Watashi wa hon wo yomimasu. I, book, read. Subject, object, verb. Typically, languages that accept this kind of structure have some other way of indicating who's doing what. Because there is no such way in Danish, we have to stick to the right order at all times. Otherwise, our speech won't make sense. Who's doing the thing, what they're doing, and the thing itself, if any. Sentence number 2. En bog læser, where I've dropped the personal pronoun, may occur in Asian languages and some European languages too, actually. But again, only those that have some way of making clear where the object is, where the subject is. Hello, my Russian subscribers. The problem with this one is that it sounds like the book itself is doing the reading. En bog læser. What? What's it reading? Sentence number 3. Læser en bog could work in certain situations. For example, when you're texting a friend and they ask you, "What are you doing?" You say, "Nothing much. Reading a book." Hvad laver du? Ikke noget. Læser en bog. So, unless you know who is performing the action and it's some informal situation, always use personal pronouns, the name of the person, the thing, etc. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Bye for now. If you translate this into Korean, wait, can I do that? 저는 책을 읽어요. Spanish. Estoy leyendo un libro. French. Je lis un livre. German. Ich lese ein Buch. Czech. Ja czytam knihu. Turkish. Kitap okuyorum. Oi. Stop showing off, will ya? Anyone knows how to use Google Translate. Oh. Okay. Subscribe if you haven't already. Blah.